Welcome to This Just In, a weekly news show highlighting the people and events in Newport News Public Schools, where our students receive the support and resources they need through a caring community. Since it takes a village to raise a child, the Youth Development Team is working hard to activate the village and increase community involvement for all students. At the start of the school year, the NNPS Youth Development Team hosted a community partner open house at Crittenden Middle School. 19 different organizations attended the informational event, including local businesses, health services, community initiatives, nonprofits, museums, and faith-based organizations. During the presentation, the Youth Development Team, which includes family and community engagement specialists, outlined the importance of community partnerships with Newport News Public Schools and the benefits for students in the form of providing mentorships and career experiences, improving mental health, leading clubs, or sponsoring unique learning activities. Thomas Turner, a senior at Heritage High School, shared his personal story of growth and achievement through his involvement with My Brother's Keeper mentoring program. By supporting public education, these caring organizations play a huge role in supporting classroom teachers, empowering families, and offering a nurturing adult in the lives of our students. As a result of this open dialogue, new initiatives are already being planned for this school year, including financial literacy workshops for parents, civic engagement training for high school students, and small groups to strengthen families. Huntington families and staff were invited to walk a mile with the principal. During the first week of school, families, students, and staff joined Huntington principal Dr. Regina Stafford for 4 laps around the track. This gave school leaders and staff a chance to meet and converse with Huntington families, while also increasing their well-being and enjoying some physical fitness. At the halfway point, everyone enjoyed some delicious cold-pressed juices from Impressive Juice Bar. By creating open dialogue between school and homes, the Viking family has started the year off on the right foot.
Every extra effort is a benefit for our students in Newport News Public Schools. Extra time for reading, extra help devoted to individual students, or extra supplies to enhance classroom instruction. Parents and community members can help supply that extra bit by financially aiding our schools through simple, everyday errands. When you're out shopping, keep your eyes open for Box Tops for Education products. Use the Box Tops app to scan your store receipt and instantly add cash to your children's school. It's that easy, and a huge benefit for our schools to receive extra funding and supplies. And while you're shopping, don't forget to use your reward cards in a smart way. Your Food Lion MVP card, Harris Teeter's Vic card, the Kroger Plus card, and other reward programs can be linked directly to the school of your choice. So when you buy everyday products, you're supporting your child's school. To link your reward card, visit the store's customer service desk for more information. Another way to support education is through DonorsChoose.org, which continues to be a wonderful online resource to directly equip classroom instruction. Just like the name implies, generous donors get to choose specifically which projects to fund. Simply visit DonorsChoose.org and type in Newport News Public Schools or a specific school in the search bar to find a project that needs financial support. Donors can fund an entire project or part of a project and can clearly see where every dime is spent. With your monetary donation, our hardworking and dedicated teachers can successfully provide creative and meaningful instruction to all students. Parents, make sure you pay attention to important dates when they're sent home with your child, and then help spread the word. Anyone can attend spirit nights at local restaurants, where a percentage of the purchases go back to the school. Plus, they're fun events for the whole family. And you can help your school form a strong parent-teacher relationship by joining your local PTA. Membership fees alone can help a school with budget needs, and some schools even offer rewards for joining the PTA. PTAs are instrumental at organizing many fundraising efforts, along with seasonal options such as t-shirt sales or holiday craft fairs. Supporting your school is easy. A little bit of extra effort goes a long way to help ensure that our children have the best education possible.
On Friday, October 11th, students do not report to school. Teachers will participate in professional development training, and family conferences will take place throughout the week. Thanks for joining us for this week's edition of This Just In, and check out more fun and informative videos at nnpstv.com to see the many great things happening in Newport News Public Schools. Thanks for watching.